Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix camera apps showing black screen in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I am going to share with you within 2 steps how you can fix that. First of all, go in your Windows 11 Start menu, just right click over on it and then click here Settings. After click over Settings, click this App section and then in the right side you're going to find here something say Apps and Features. Simply open that Apps and Features and then you're going to see all your installed apps in your desktop or laptop. Scroll down and you're going to find here Camera. Simply choose this 3 dot, click here Advanced option and then scroll down and then try to click here Reset. And after click or Reset, you're going to see a pop-up, click here Reset, and after done reset successfully, try to restart your PC and then try to reopen your camera apps. Hopefully within this step your Windows 11 camera apps black screen going to be fixed. If it is not work, let me share with you the second step. In this step, we're going to open our Windows 11 search bar and then we're going to type here Windows PowerShell. We're going to see this is a Windows PowerShell. We're going to open this Run as Administrator. Here you need to type a command. You will got this command in my video description. Simply copy this command and paste it over here and then click Enter. So in this coding, your camera apps going to be reinstalled as fresh, and then try to see is your camera apps is working properly or not. So hopefully within these 2 steps your camera apps going to be fixed the black screen. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.